How to change Notepad theme to dark. Here are the steps on how to change Notepad theme to dark. 1. Open Notepad. 2. Click on the settings icon, gear icon, in the top right corner of the window. 3. In the settings menu, select F theme. 4. From the F theme drop-down menu, select dark. 5. Click on OK to save your changes. Notepad will now be in dark mode. Here are some additional information. Asterisk if you are using Windows 11, you can also enable dark mode for Notepad by going to Settings Personalization Colors, choose your mode and selecting dark. Asterisk Notepad++ also has a dark mode that you can enable. To do this, open Notepad++ and go to Settings Style Configurator. In the Select Theme drop-down menu, select Deep Black. Click on Save and Close to save your changes. I hope this helps.